Patents are a source of information. Patents are an indicator of investment. Companies invest in patents because they're interested in markets, and they protect their investment in that market through the technology they've developed by filing patents. Smart organizations are constantly looking at the environment around them, looking at these investments through these assessments of looking at patents, and deciding that my competitor over here is beginning to move in this direction, for instance. Or, you know what, I have a customer need for this type of technology in order to deliver a higher value benefit. And I don't have that technology in-house currently, but I know where I can get it because I've analyzed the other patents of the other organizations that are in the area, whether they be universities, small companies, or just other. Products take a certain amount of time to go from blank sheet invention to marketed product. And sometimes those windows are very, very large. Could be 18 months, 3 years. Pharmaceuticals could be 5 to 10 years. Organizations who are constantly on the lookout for what's happening, because patents publish after 18 months. So if something's going on and it takes 5 years to come to market, if you know about it 18 months in, that provides you with an opportunity to come up with a strategy for how you're going to address that new market development. So there's that one way of being able to do things. Another way of doing things is thinking about what's going to put me out of business 5 to 10 years from now. Something that's going to put you out of business 5 to 10 years from now is beginning today. And so you need to be looking today at what's beginning to emerge, what's beginning to become interesting, valuable, and be able to apply it to what it is that you're doing. So you're either taking advantage of it or it's taking advantage of you. And so you need to be always vigilant and on the lookout for how technology and the markets are changing.